To transfer funds from MetaMask to Robinhood, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have both a MetaMask wallet and a Robinhood account. MetaMask is a digital wallet used to store and manage cryptocurrencies, while Robinhood is a trading platform that allows you to buy and sell various assets, including cryptocurrencies. Start by opening your MetaMask wallet and selecting the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. You can do this by clicking on the asset and then clicking the Send button. Next, you will need to obtain the wallet address from your Robinhood account where you want to receive the funds. To find the wallet address in Robinhood, log into your account and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. Click on the Transfer button and then select Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and Robinhood will provide you with a wallet address. Copy the wallet address from Robinhood and paste it into the recipient address field in your MetaMask wallet. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid sending funds to the wrong location. After entering the wallet address, specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Be aware of any transfer fees associated with the transaction. Once you have entered the address and amount, click the Next button and then confirm the transaction. The transfer may take some time to complete, depending on the blockchain network and the amount of funds being transferred. You can track the status of the transaction in your MetaMask wallet or on a blockchain explorer. It is essential to note that not all cryptocurrencies are supported by both MetaMask and Robinhood. So ensure the asset you want to transfer is compatible with both platforms. Additionally, be mindful of any tax implications associated with transferring cryptocurrencies between wallets and trading platforms. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can successfully transfer funds from MetaMask to Robinhood. Always prioritize security and verify the accuracy of wallet addresses to avoid any potential issues.